Okay, so calculate a method for solving equations. This solve function can actually be used for so many things. If you've got an equation, you can use it. So this is the worded explanation. You can stop on this, pause it, read it yourself, but I am going to work through one of our previous examples from last PowerPoint in this one to solve it in the calculator. So let's do that. Calculator. So once you have your calculator up, we try to do everything in new document. Okay? New document we can add extra tabs to, which means you can work through multiple problems and then go back and look at your working in case you want to check something out. So open a new document and we just want a calculator. Cool. So there's two ways to go about it. We can go menu, algebra, because that's what we're working on, and this solve function. It's really lovely. So we can get that up and we're good to go. Or you can actually type it in. I know it's an alphabetical keyboard which messes people up, but you will get used to it. The difference between having a correctly spelt function in there and having just random gibberish is italics. So see how everything is in italics right now? That means it's not anything. But as soon as I add that E, my letters are straight, which means this is now a function. And it's going to actually do something in the calculator, and we pretty much always need to have a bracket going on. Okay, so we're going to solve a complicated fraction. So I'm going to put a fraction in there. So we have x plus 6 on 5. Oh, shivers. The nice thing about this, Control Z, just like a computer, gets you what you want. Stop highlighting, thank you. 5, okay, and then solve only works for equations, okay? You have to have that equals in there. Alright, and I have another fraction, x plus 1 on 4. Okay, and this last step is very important. You have to use it if you want to solve anything. You have to put in a comma and then tell it what you're solving for. So here we're solving for x. I want to know what x equals. So comma says solve for x. If you don't do that, it'll say, actually we'll put it up in a sec so you can see what it says. But if we have it, there we go, x equals 19. Doesn't show you the steps, so you do generally have to show them as well, unless it's a 1-mark question, then you can just put an answer in. But generally you got to show your steps, but this shows you you're right. Now if you forget that comma x and just put something in and you like solve, too few arguments, okay? It tells you you've written something wrong, there's not enough in there, it can't do anything. So that is telling you you're missing something, which would be our comma x. And there, fixed. That is solve. It's really lovely. Use it to practice to check your answers, get used to it.